Israel shocked, Israeli helicopter destroyed on Haifa coast. 2 Israel Defense Forces pilots died on Monday night when their military helicopter crashed off the coast of northern Israel. A third crew member was recovered and taken to Haifa's Rambam Medical Center for treatment with moderate injuries. The hospital said he was in stable condition, being treated in its shock ward and would then be moved to its intensive care unit for further treatment. IDF search and rescue teams pulled the other 2 crew members from the water and carried out resuscitation efforts but were unable to revive them. The 2 were later named as Lieutenant Colonel Erez Sachyani and Major Chen Fogel. Their families have been notified, the IDF said in a statement. The helicopter went down in the Mediterranean Sea just off the port city of Haifa. The crash happened close enough to the coast for city residents to see flames from the shore and call it in to police. The helicopter was flying at a low altitude prior to the crash. An Air Force officer said the helicopter had taken off for a training exercise around 8 p.m. and crashed about an hour later.